All right, guys, here's a perfect example of replacing the gasket in a box. So this is a Strongway 16-inch, and from the factory, this gasket looks pretty bad. I mean, if you look, there is a bunch of nicks all up in it. So I'm gonna show y'all how to replace this really quick. So just get a flathead or something and try to pull it up, yank it out, take that, toss it. This is some 8mm rounded foam gasket. Hate the little tab they put on it. And we're just gonna unravel enough to get it all the way around the box. We're not gonna stretch it. We're just gonna stuff it in there, okay? This stuff makes a really nice seal. And I can't remember who recommended this. I cannot remember. I don't know if it was Jason. I don't know if it was Daniel. I don't remember. Sorry, guys, if you watch this video and you recommended it to me about 6 months ago. But this has been great. We used to put a piece of weed eater string, thick weed eater string, under the gasket, or little. We take it out and put silicone under it to really firm it up. But this stuff, for as cheap as it is, it's like $7 for a roll of it. It's a permanent solution to the bad gaskets. And just take your time. Like I said, you don't want to stretch it to get it in there, because then you're gonna have a shrinkage issue over time. And what I mean by that is, as time goes on, it's elasticy. You know, it pulls, so it's gonna pull itself back. And that's what you don't want. So we're going to get here and go ahead and cut it. Make sure it fits. Just a little bit over. And now I'm going to take a little bit of DAP Rapid Fuse or silicone. Put just a little bit on the end of it. Stuff that in there. Let that cure up just for a minute, and it's going to glue it together. Again, DAP Rapid Fuse is what I'm using. And now you'll see when I go to close this box. When I go to close this box, now that's a latch. That's what we want to see. Nice firm latch, and over time, once it's sat up for a minute, it's going to actually form that groove that these boxes have. Now you can do 6mm, 7mm, 8mm. Bigger the box, the thicker you want it, and this stuff gives you a awesome seal. So I'll go ahead and put a link to this on the Facebook group with this video, so y'all can see it. But it's some awesome stuff. Several people have used it and loved it. Like I said, now you get that nice latch, real strong. It's sealed up real good. No water's getting in there. So on to the next one.